G'day guys, Pat here from Adelaide Hills Lawns and Gardens. I just wanted to run you through the beautiful project we've done here at Birdenham Winery. It came in 4 stages. So first stage was demo, which was ripping up existing pavers and clearing out. Then we got Carman concrete in to concrete everything completely. Once they'd done, we're onto the screed to minimise any little indeficiencies in the concrete. Once screeding was done, then it's onto the waterproof, which we used a Marpe product, which was part A and part B, powder and liquid, 50-50 mix. We waterproofed the screed just to keep everything tight. And then once that was done, a day or two later we were laying tiles, limestone, 1200 by 600, 30mm thick, 380 to 400 square metres worth. Once completed, it was onto the grouting, silicone and the cleanup, which we all banded together. So super proud of the effort from the boys and what we've created here. In true AHLG style, we've all banded together and helped us get through this amazing job.